Okay, this one is basically just simplifying the radical. Hopefully by now you're good at it. Again, if you have large numbers, you can use the calculator and use your divisibility rules. If it ends in an even number, you can definitely divide by 2. Okay, so if I divide this by 2, I should get 2 times 144. Okay, and you continue, I can divide by 2, and that should be about 72. Again, divided by 2. Let's see, 35, that's 36. Divided by 2, that's 18. Divided by 2, that's 9. And then divided by 3, or 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so right here you can see your pairs. Again, you're trying to get to your pairs. In other words, this can be, the 288 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 times 3 times 3. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. There's 5 2's and 2 3's. And if you get your pairs, here's one pair, right? Here's another pair. That 2 does not have a pair, but the 3's have a pair. And those, you can rewrite them as the square root of 2, also squared, I'm sorry. This one's also the square root of 2 squared. This one is just by itself. And then this one is the square root of 3 squared. Okay? And then as far as the letters are concerned, I have M, N, P, P, because it's P squared, right? And you're trying to get pairs also, but the only one that really has pairs is this one. Okay, that's the only one that has a square there. The other ones are just standalone. Oops. So you write them alone in the square root. And this one's a P squared. Now here's the confusion. Okay? When they cancel, it's like saying that the little house, that little radical house thing there, it all disappears. It's all gone. Okay? So the only thing left over is going to be that 2 that's inside. This is gone, this is gone, all of this is gone. See? You scratch that out, all of that is gone. So leaving you only this 2 right here. This one doesn't have the opportunity to do that. This one, again, scratches off, the whole house is gone, so it's just the 3 and that's it. Can't do it, can't do it. Scratch it off, the whole housey thing, the whole radical is gone, leaving you only the P. Okay? So this is what's outside of the square root. You multiply it all, and you end up with 4 times 3 is 12, and then that P right there. Now this one still is inside the radical. This one's inside the radical. This one's inside the radical. So all you do now is put everything that's inside the radical together. If you had extra numbers, you would multiply them, but right now I only have the 2. The M and the N also go together, and that's your final answer.